Okay. All right. So this is the paintbrush that I'm asking you to get. It has a little slanted, which is very, very nice to do in order to make these nice, good looking flowers, petals, roses, weeds, bushes, doggo damages. We ask for you to get this kind of paintbrush. Now, guys, this ain't really a paintbrush. I really call it the weave. It is your weave. It gives you the angles. It gives you the curves. It gives you the swirls. This is the paintbrush. This is the weave. I didn't ask for those doggone broomstick, those little broomstick, what's them things called? Those little things that you stick to sweep with brooms. I don't know what I'm talking about. So this right here, the bottom is your scalp. This right here is your ends. Do you see closely how it don't have no split ends? This is the paintbrush that you really need. Now, if you broke like an artichoke and if you crazy, I understand why it's all split up. But this right here, if you are sane, this is the perfect paintbrush to use to make these doggone flowers. Now, the first thing is I always name my paints type of stuff. This is Caucasian, which of course is the white. This was Judy, and now today we're going to be using Bernese. So we're using Bernese Burgundy, and this is the perfect color to be using. What you're gonna do is you're gonna dip the white with your ends. You see that? Now keep dipping it until it's nice. This is good enough. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your scalp and dip it in Bernese. And this is how it's gonna look. This is how it's supposed to look. I ask you, doggone it, you better get it right. If it ain't right, keep doing it. See that? So now we're gonna go ahead and continue on getting doggone. Oh, wrong. See that? See that? See that? Get doggone Caucasian, and we ask for crust behind Bernese. Get Bernese. Now this is a simple technique. Lean your weave dead on the paper. Now we're gonna do some lean with it, rock with it. This how you do it. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. You see that foolishness? This is all I asked for. All I did was just move up and down, but make sure that the weave is dead on the paper. I didn't ask you to rise up. I didn't ask you to rise up. I didn't ask you to rise up. Turn it around so you have a good hand gesture. Make sure you feel comfortable. Lean that doggone dry hand on the table. We're going to try this again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Do you see that? Now it's starting to look like a somebody instead of a nobody. Turn it around. See, it's not even that hard. Like I said, we're going to keep doing this. Ready? Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Do you see that? Now, I'm going to go ahead and turn this paper around, and then we'll continue on doing it until they touch each other. Get some of that doggone Caucasian. I want scalp on dog on Bernese. Straight up. We're doing this again. Here we go. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. We're almost done, y'all. Keep doing it. You're doing amazing, sweetie. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Let's see if my behind can make it to this doggone. Oh, I can't get this doggone cheap table to act right. Oh, turn it. Alright, 6. Lean with it, rock with it. Lean with it, rock with it. Perfect. You see what I'm talking about? And that just looked like a straight up flower. All because you did that technique. All because you followed my doggone directions. You see how y'all ain't hard headed? Okay, now we're going to do it again. But this time we're only going to do twice on overlapping it. So we're going to, like I said, get straight up the ends on doggone Caucasian. We trying to end segregation. We Bernese and Caucasian. Now doggone lean on the middle of the paper. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. I lied. What was that? Judy. Okay, now this time we're going to put it right here. Make sure they're not rolled, because that's where I messed up at. I actually started on the same roll, and you can't even see you can't even notice the difference of what I just did. So I always want to See, that's why we lesson to learn, guys. Lesson to learn. Like I said, lean with it, rock with it, lean with it, rock with it. If you ain't dancing, you gonna get it right. Make sure your weave ain't stiff, it's doggone swinging. Here's a new technique that you're gonna learn. And this is to make it give that little rose detail. My doggone side is itching. Hold on. All right, I'm asking you to start off right here. Make sure it's lean that weave, lean the weave. I'm about to call it a bob, but anyways, this time we're going to do a little weave. Perfect. Keep doing it until it gives that little ombre look. You see that? Let's keep doing it because I want to see more of that white in it. Okay, so we're back to it now. This is a cute little technique that I really like. It's actually one of my favorites. What we're going to do is lean the weave like to right here, not on right here. Like, see that where I put the streak at? Put it beside it at the end of that dead line. We call it the dead line. Now we're about to do an intersection. Here we go. This is how I do it. We do that. So word. See, I wasn't late like Lauryn Hill, but we almost got it. But that's a... Now I messed up. Wait. This ain't right. Hold up. I lied. Wait. Oh, Lord. Ooh. Wait. Okay. Wait. This don't... Bro, why does it look like a spider? Whoa. What is this? What is this? Hold on. I have to do some finishing touches. This don't look like no flower. Wait, I really thought I was doing something. I really thought I was doing something. Hold on, let me do the leave with it, rock with it again. Leave with it. Okay. It looked like something. Whoa. Okay. Let me try this again. Ugh. Okay. I think I did it. Oh, what? This don't look... Oh! Oh my gosh. Okay. What was I doing? Oh! Whoa. This look like an animal. Wait. Okay. Now I'm going to take this weave and we're going to gently start off right here. We're going to do a curve. So we're going to do the swerve. Like, you know how you swerve your X's? Swerve. Isn't it ugly? Well, it ain't that ugly, but this ain't what this is a foolishness. Wait. We're going to try it on this side. Let me see what it look like. Let me see, because this looks segregated. I wasn't trying to have this segregated. Hold on, let me try it. Oh. Does that look like something to you? Man, this is ridiculous. Oh my gosh. What is that? Look, let me show you what I did. Okay, look. No. Okay, does this look like a flower? Like, look at the difference. I need help. Put something in the comment section. I swear I did this. Like, now for some video, I did something like this. This don't make no sense. This ain't no flower. What you think? What do you think about this? Does this look like a flower or does this more like a rose? But anyways, I'm going to come back for more videos. Stay tuned this week. Get it together. We about to get it. So we're still at the beginning. This is like a good little first beginning because to me, I'm just now learning how to do this. So what do you guys think? Is this more like a flower or a rose? See you guys later.